Okay, check out this bad boy. Texas Fever Water. Woo-hoo-hoo. Texas Fever Water. Orange slices. Get those in there. Love it. Lime slices, lemon slices. Strawberry slices. You need your fruits. Ooh, look at the fruits in there, okay? Add some color. Apple slices. Well, apple chunks, maybe. They're not slices, they're chunks, right? Beautiful. And then we get in some cherries, okay? Some maraschino and the juice. And a little bit of sugar too. What? Holy Lord of mercy, okay? Even I have a problem with that one, okay? But hey, it's gonna taste delicious though. Okay, you want some vodka? Then we come behind with some rum? My goodness. No wonder that I have a fever in Texas, okay? Look at the sugar on the bottom. Then some orange juice. Okay, now we gotta try to get the sugar to dissolve, all right? And then with some grenadine, just to make it a tad sweeter. That was awesome. Woo, yeah, and there you have it, Texas Fever Water.